Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Tutorials. So we are back with our new session for PGDBA 2021 series, and in this session we are going to discuss this question from your continuity and differentiability chapter. So I would suggest you to go through this question once on your own, and just pause this video here and try this question, give it a try for 2-3 minutes, then we can discuss it. Okay. So now in this question it is given that if f of x minus y, this is equal to fx gy minus fy gx for all values of x and y belongs to R, where fx is non-identically 0, then these four options are given and you have to determine which of these following four options is correct. Okay, so what we can do in these type of questions, so to start with, f of x minus y, this is given as fx gy minus fy gx. Okay, now we can do one thing in this question. You just substitute x is equal to y. What if I substitute x equal to y? We will get f of 0 equal to it will be x is equal to y. Let us say both are x, fx gx minus fx gx. So they will cancel out. We can say that f of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so one thing is clear. Now the next thing is you can substitute any of the value. Let us say if I substitute y is equal to 0, we will get fx is equal to fx g of 0 minus f of 0 into g of x, and we know the value of f of 0 is 0. So we can say that f of x is equal to fx into g of 0. Now these fx will cancel out. We can say g of 0, this is equal to 1. Now we have calculated value of f of 0 as well as g of 0. Okay. Now if I calculate f dash 0 plus, so what it will be? It will be limit h approaches to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 upon h, and it comes out to be limit h approaches to 0, f of 0 g of minus h minus f of minus h g of 0 divided by h. Okay, and this is equal to limit h approaches to 0, f of minus h divided by minus h, and this is nothing but f dash 0 minus. So that means we can say that f dash 0 plus, this is equal to f dash 0 minus. So we can say C is correct answer to this question. Okay, C should be your correct answer to this question. So I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you have any comments or any feedback, you can just give us your feedbacks to the comment section below. Okay, thank you so much.